Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Roblox thumbnails on mobile. First, choose a good photo editing app like PixArt or Ibis Paint X, available on most mobile devices. Next, think about your thumbnail's concept. What story do you want to tell? Then, take clear, well-lit screenshots directly from your Roblox game. These will be the foundation for your amazing new thumbnail, so make them count. Now, let's design. Use your chosen app's tools to carefully cut out your Roblox character from the screenshot. Give your character an exciting pose that conveys action or emotion. Then, select a vibrant background that matches your game's style. You can find many free-to-use backgrounds online. Position your character thoughtfully, ensuring they are the focal point of your thumbnail. Time to add some flair. Incorporate clear, bold text that announces your game or a key feature. Play around with various fonts and colors to make your text pop, perhaps adding a strong outline for readability. Explore the app's filters and effects to give your thumbnail a unique style. Finally, fine-tune the brightness, contrast, and saturation to achieve a polished, eye-catching finish. You're almost there. Save your masterpiece in a high-resolution format like PNG. Make sure the image dimensions are correct for Roblox, usually 1920 pixels wide by 1080 pixels tall. Then, head over to the Roblox website, go to your game settings, and upload your fantastic new thumbnail. It's ready to attract players and make your game stand out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.